how do you celebrate New Year? I usually celebrate Lunar New Year, by visiting my hometown and spending the entire holiday with my family. We would do activities together like decorating the house, cooking festive foods, and going to pagodas. In our culture, this occasion is all about family. Do you like New Year's holiday? When I was little, I would feel over the moon when Lunar New Year's or THÄ was around the corner. Now that I've grown up, I no longer look forward to it with overexcitement, but I still love it. This is mainly because THÄ holiday offer me a rare opportunity to break from my hectic schedule for a while. What did you do on the last New Year holiday? Well, as usual, I spent the last 2 days of the old year cleaning, planting new pots of flower, decorating our home, and preparing foods for our family gathering. On the first day of Lunar New Year, I escorted my mom to the local pagoda in the early morning, and then the lengthy series of paying a visit to our relative started. There was nothing special actually. Are New Year celebrations important? Well, they are definitely a distinctive and probably the most intriguing part of different cultures across the globe, and should be preserved for the next generation. Besides, the New Year's holiday also makes a perfect chance for us to reunite and rejuvenate, which is essential for a healthy and fulfilling life.